boldly embracing the horizon. The future is decentralized. Innovation is not just a buzzword. It's the fire that fuels the crypto revolution. It's the belief that we can rewrite the rules of the financial world. This journey is not for the faint of heart, but for those daring to think beyond boundaries. Every block added, every chain strengthened, we build a more equitable world. It's about financial freedom. No more borders, no more middlemen, just you and limitless potential. The power of decentralization is beyond technology. It is the new wave of freedom and self-sovereignty. As we look to the future, remember, in every block lies a world of possibilities, each encrypted key a step toward a brighter vision. This is just the beginning, a revolution that invites you to invest smarter and dream grander. Uplifted by innovation, empowered by knowledge, the blockchain world awaits. Together, let's forge a decentralized tomorrow.